Hello, this is my quick review of this accounting ledger book. And as you can see on the first page, we have name, email, phone, address, so you can personalize it for yourself. And then right here, we have number. Then we have column for the date, for the description, account, payment, deposit, total. And you can see we have a check mark in the end. And as you can see, this accounting ledger book is pretty thick, has a lot of pages, and pages are also very thick and very good quality. And right here in the back, we have two pockets, one right here and one right here. So it's actually easy to store all of your checks, receipts, or any different type of information. And I also love that this accounting book has this wire connection, so it's very easy to open, very easy to find the page you need to find, and also store your information. Overall, I love this accounting book. Highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.